Okay, this is Chapter 6, Case Projects. I did the Celtic Songs app and Animal Voices Children app. Okay, we'll start off with the Celtic Songs app. This is the... Wait, where's the splash screen? Here's my splash screen. Has the text and the background image. It stays on the screen for, I think it's 4 seconds. Yep, it stays on this page for 4 seconds, which is right there, 4 seconds. Timers. Then it switches to the other main activity, which is this one. It's got my 2 images, my 2 buttons, both play songs. When one is playing, it makes the other one invisible. Buttons, media players, text that changes, all that. So let me launch it. That's the other one. Give it a second to switch over. Here it goes. Should stay up for about 4 seconds. Switches over. Show my volumes up. That plays the Irish jig. That pauses it. The other one comes back. And here is some god-awful bagpipes. That's it for that app. Switch over to this one. This is the splash screen I have for Animal Voices. This one stays on there for 6 seconds and then switches over to the second main activity page, which has picture of the cow, picture of pigs, and the 2 buttons. And here's all my variables and buttons and the media player for all of those. This one does the same thing as the last one. Pauses, plays, and changes the text and makes them visible and not visible. Launch it. Switches over after 6 seconds. That's it for those. And that's it for Chapter 6.